All right, so here's what we're doing for geometry today. We are in the right triangle unit, and last time we did this one, Pythagorean theorem, and today we're going to do this one, converse of the Pythagorean theorem. Converse just means backwards, roughly speaking. So here we are, and all right, so it says a triangle has sides with lengths of 5 inches, 12 inches, and 13 inches. Is it a right triangle? And it's just yes or no, right? All right, we just guess. Do 50-50? Nah, we're going to work it out. So here's how you do it. Your sides that they give you are 5, 12, and 13. All right, and you know that for a right triangle, you have a squared plus b squared equals c squared. So what you do is just plug in these numbers and see if that's true or not. Now, we do have to know which one is c. C is going to be always the biggest one. The biggest one is c. And then we just plug these just as they are. So I want to know if 5 squared plus 12 squared equals 13 squared. Now I don't know if that's true or not, so sometimes we put like this, a little question mark over the equal sign. That means I need to find out if that's true. So I know 5 squared is 25. I know 12 squared is 144. Maybe I don't know 13 squared, so I'll put, it's 169, but maybe I didn't know that. So I'm going to bring out my calculator. It's got all kinds of crazy stuff on it. I can't clear it, but whatever. 13 squared is, hey, look, it's 169. Okay, so you can work it on your calculator. You can do this on your calculator if you want, but 25 plus 144, 25 plus 144, we just need to make sure the two things are equal. It's also 169. So if they both come out to be the same thing, then we know it's true. And if it's true, then we're going to say yes. And if I come up with different numbers, it's no. That's all there is to it. All right, so this one is going to be a yes. Let's see if they'll give us one that's a no, just so we can see for comparison. Remembering you're trying to get your score right there, try to get that up to 80. Okay, next one, it gives me 8, 13, and 16. 8, 13, and 16. All right, so if I do, where's my black pen? 8, 13, and 16. If I do a squared plus b squared equals c squared, I have to know if 8 squared plus 13 squared is that or is it not? I don't know. Equal to 16 squared. So if I want, I can just do all of that over there on the calculator. Just do 8 squared plus 13 squared. 8 squared. So you can do all in one line. You can probably do this on your phone calculator too. I get 233. But if not, you can just do those numbers separately. All right. Now I'm going to do 16 squared and see if it comes out to be the same number. 16 squared. Oh, I can already see it's not the same number. So I already know this is a no. So for 256, like if you were writing this, you don't have to write it because it's IXL. But if you were writing this, you would write like this. 233 is not equal to 256. Therefore, no, it's not a right triangle. So we go over here, we click no. And we keep going until our score gets up to 80. All right, so that's your job today. Good luck.